Come on, YouTube. It's so slow. So we got the 9-day crossover, still not under the moving average though, so BA might be a sell. Looking to take it to around, honestly the lowest you could see it go is like 175. Contracts are probably pretty cheap. Let's see. Hopefully we don't see like a day like this where it like gradually comes back up. That's the only reason I don't. Boeing doesn't look good. The puts look cheap though. This week's expiration, of course. Sold off exactly how I said I would too. We're gonna type in BA because that's what we're trading. Get on the 4 hour. The daily, get on the daily chart. Look, it's already broken below, so 168. BA again. Get on the 5-minute chart. Looks like it's gone up. BA a third time. Roku's actually looks good. Looks actually better than NVIDIA. Go to the Tesla daily. If we're looking at the break above the 1027 mark. Looks like it's selling off though. Here's the market. Market's coming back up. That's what it looks like. Gotta know if it's at or above, because if it breaks above, then we can see the market trend up. Breaks below, we can see a fucking big old crash. Yeah, probably 100 points. 100 more points than it's already down. It's down 200 points right now. Yeah, so it's basically the only thing we're really looking at right here is, because this is the lower resistance right here. So if it breaks below, since it's in the middle and it did bounce off recently, we're gonna wait until it breaks below, or we see it maybe break above this 31.20, because a 40 pip move is about a few bucks, and then that would be a day trade. All the positions we're looking at, though, they're going to be all day trades. I'm most likely looking at Boeing, because the short on Boeing looks honestly the best out of all of these trades. And it's moving fairly lower in the pre-market. It's from yesterday, fairly. It keeps dropping, breaks below resistance. It's not holding resistance. Tesla's basically all over the place in pre-market, so that doesn't look very good. We also got to look, because Boeing does follow the market trend very heavily, so that's why I want to wait until we at least see a better pattern of it coming down before we hop in some puts. This is the 30 minutes of the S&P 500. It's the 1 minute of the S&P 500. This is the daily Boeing, 5 minute Boeing, and then a minute of Boeing. And this would probably be the option we'll be getting for Boeing, or 180. If you don't have that much money, 180s are fine as well. We wouldn't be looking for an $8 move, though. We'd probably be looking for $3 to $5 on Boeing. So that's like another 2.6% of the trade, and it broke through the 9-day resistance. It's sitting on the average resistance, and we already know it's going to break lower. So what I think is going to happen is it'll break lower, and There's two scenarios that could happen. It's just straight fall down, or what I believe will happen is gonna come back up, hit resistance, like jump up to 190, and then sell off. And we just gotta wait on that because this also broke through the 9-day. 1 hour, looking a little bullish there, but it's gonna reject off and come back down. That's what I can see from the trends. So like we're not gonna jump in right away like we did on the other trade yesterday. I'm gonna wait a few minutes. And then the reason I have Roku up here, I did post a Roku chart in the chat. You look at Roku, this is a shooting star candlestick, but it's sitting on two resistances. So it's either going to break below, which it's not because it's already above in pre-market. So if it breaks above 120, we could see a run to about 128, 130. This is where most of the resistance is, 130, 128. It's good. So like next week, get some next week calls in there. Those are the ones I posted in the chat. Those look pretty good as well. And also, the NAS 100 ain't going anywhere because
Senior Pentagon official says recent days show North Korea continues to present extraordinary threat to the region. Hard to tell what North Korea will do in the coming days and weeks.
Yeah, NAS 100 is stronger than the
JAN, Jan 1, launches strategic alternatives process for legacies business. That's JAN, Juliet Alpha November.
NAS 100 is stronger just because it's all tech stocks, and then the other ones are industrial stocks that actually got hit by COVID harder. Looks like we're gonna have to wait to call a put on Boeing. If it breaks above, honestly, you can get a short move for calls if you wanted to, but I'm looking for the longer move on this one for Boeing. I think it's gonna go down. Okay. Let's see. I don't remember. What did that guy just say? Wonder the Tesla. Tesla does look good if it can break about 105, 106 before you jump in. And that I could see like a $15 move on it. Because Tesla posted some news and it's got news hype with it. So Tesla, let's look at Tesla options. Market opens in a minute. Obviously, you do this week if you're day trading. 125ers. Yeah, they're not too bad. Implied volatility is super low as well. I'm waiting for the BA put. Just want to wait till we see a little more sell-off right here. Tesla ain't moving. BA's looks like it's the heaviest mover in the stocks we picked out. So oh, Nvidia, yeah, that's probably gonna break above the 375. Nvidia, and yeah, Tesla also jumped over, so that could be a 1020 call. Okay, honestly, I'm backing out of the BA puts.
CARV, Carver, Bancorp moving here. Charlie Alpha Romeo Victor.
Nvidia.
JBLU announcing 30 new routes launch Mint at Newark. New routes will support revenue recovery and labor markets showing strength in current environment. That's JBLU, JetBlue.
Okay, actually, so yeah, looks pretty bullish right now. I'm gonna try to get Nvidia.
Delta Romeo, Cloudera.
Jumped in some Nvidia
July
calls.
$15 call sweep on CLDR.
Also Tesla looking fire as well. Cannot fill for these for some reason. Oh, okay, yep. This is why we should have waited, because it's stupid.
Shares of Cloudera spiking here now, seeing multiple sweeps in CLDR. Charlie Lima Delta Romeo. Cloudera hitting 1321. The $15 July call sweeps in Cloudera. Spiking here now on volume CLDR. Again, another sweep July 15 on Cloudera.
Hold up. Yeah, Tesla's running. It already hit the 120. It's gonna hit it. Jumping Tesla as well.
Now the weekly 13.5 sweep now on Cloudera.
Roku's also running. It broke above the 120.
COHN, Cohen and Company halted again this morning. Charlie Oscar Hotel, November 875, COHN.
And Tesla, Nvidia.
Continued sweeps in Cloudera, CLDR. Dow down 0.8% after the open. S&P down 0.5%. VBI Vaccines, the weekly $2.50 call sweep now in VBIV, Victor Bravo India Victor.
Oh, okay. Back to the puts.
AFH, Atlas Financial, getting another pop here now. Alpha Foxtrot Hotel.
Wow.
Shares moving again now on volume. AFH.
Alright, market. I don't know. I hate when it opens like this. Fucking. It did hit the 190 and this is puts. It looks like it's selling off. It looks like it's gonna get rejected.
FAMI, Farming, moving here on heavy volume after their early press release on a repeat order. Share is now at $1.23, had $1.88 in the pre-market on FAMI, Foxtrot Alpha Michael India.
VA puts. I only nicked this like these two candles, which only made me like $20. Damn.
CLDR, Cloudera, more call activity in CLDR. WRTC, Whiskey Romeo Tango Charlie. Wrap Technologies had a press release out earlier, now at 890. WRTC company earlier reporting new international purchase orders. That's WRTC hit a high of 905 in the pre-market, now at 891, up about 6% on WRTC.
What's going on? Damn. Let me see. Oh, NVIDIA didn't make it above. Yeah, Boeing should sell right off from that. Should. Yes. Damn, bro. Fucking. Oh, damn, it broke through. Got faked out. What the fuck? Oh, looks like it's breaking through. Looks like the market's gonna be bullish. I don't know. Make up your mind. What the fuck? Well, and there's that run, huh? Well, one of these days. Yeah, it looks like this is gonna stay bullish. The double top, maybe sell off? No, definitely not. Okay. Yeah, it's broke above.
PTZ, Papa Echo Tango Zulu. Getting a pop here again, $2.21, PTZ.
Damn, Roku on the move though. Ooh. Alright, well. Well, I missed both those trades. Fuck both those up, so.
JAN, Jan 1, shares resume trading now at 390, hit a high of 601 earlier on their press release, JAN.
Jesus. It's one of those Roku 130 options. yeah, I gotta fix this. Oh, it didn't break above, so I wanna get in. So at 191 puts for Boeing. Still hasn't made it there yet. Looks 191.6 or something. I don't know. Wait for some rejection before you even enter. I don't know. This is saying 193.
CLSN, Celsius getting a pop here, $4.67. Charlie Lima sending November.
Tesla looks like you can get a pop here after the double bottom. Damn. She got Boeing calls.
AIM, Immunotech, AIM, granted patent titled methods for improving exercise tolerance in myalgic encephalomyelitis patients. That's AIM, Alpha India, Michael, AIM Immunotech. Shares of AIM Immunotech hitting 257 at the high, now at 250. That's Alpha India Micro. Shares up about 3.5% now after that patent news announcement.
Oh my god, my stream is so far behind. Like, I don't know what's going on my internet, but this is pretty bad, guys. It's like, you don't see the screen right here. You're super delayed. Almost 193.
TDH Holdings continuing to move here after resuming, hit a high around 260. Coming up,
Is this the rejection we were looking at?
at 10 a.m.
I don't see any resistance here, so if this is the rejection,
the U.S. leading index for May,
I'm fucking
plus
confused.
2.3% expected, then at 10:30 natural gas storage.
Oh, well, the 1 hour. It's not enough rejection to be. Let me look at the 30 minutes. Ooh. Maybe.
DLNG, Dynagas, seeing a spike in volume, Delta Lima November Golf.
Probably not. Probably not. Probably still bullish. Well,
BRXL, box light, getting a pop here from the highs, $1.08.
is this selling off too?
Airline, Billy, July 50 calls active now, Bravo India, Lima India, BILI.
Why is the market selling off right here? Makes no fucking sense. What's it at?
Shares of Billy getting a pop here, $42 off of that call activity, Bravo India, Lima India. COHN resumes trading.
Well, if it breaks below,
Company 1135 now on COHN.
so if it breaks below this, yeah, I'm selling it. I guess I did reject right off resistance. I just missed it because I'm trying to do something for a client right now.
BIOC, Bioset, heavy volume now in BIOC, Bravo India, Oscar Charlie. NTNX, Nutanix, strengthens desktop as a service solution, November Tango, November X-ray, NTNX. HUYA, Julio, weekly 19.5 call sweep, HUYA, CLDR, Cloudera, more call activity, and Charlie Lima Delta Romeo. More July $15 call sweeps and CLDR.
Oh, is it coming back? Okay. It's not ready to sell off. Yeah, no, it's double bottom. Looks fucking good. Still bullish. Maybe. What? What's going on here? Let's end this minute. Come on, just drop below. Keep. What did I get in? Why did I get in so much higher? Whatever, I'm up.
AMZN, Amazon, Valentino say file joint lawsuit against Caitlin Penn Group for allegedly counterfeiting Valentino shoes and offering them for sale on Amazon. That's AMZN. U.S. Conference Board May leading index plus 2.8%. That's versus the 2.3% expected. SPOT, Spotify, July 2, $230 call sweep. Currently at 212.15. SPOT, Spotify, SPOT.
These are the charts we're looking at for the trades we're in. That was a Spotify call sweep. That means people are getting calls for Spotify to go up. /ES is S&P 500. Index.
HTGM, HTG Molecular, Hotel Tango Golf Micro popping here. HTGM.
What?
Supreme Court blocks Trump from canceling Obama's DACA program.
And then these are BA calls. And then here's BA. This is also BA. This is the S&P 500, S&P 500, Tesla, and this is S&P 500. This is the resistance. So if it breaks above, we can see a bullish run. If it breaks below, we can see a sell-off in the market. And then they said they had Spotify call sweeps.
Axios reporting that DoorDash has raised $400 million in new equity funding, valuing company at $16 billion. SELB, Selected Biosciences, getting a popularity again, San Diego Lima Bravo. After announcing earlier a collaboration with Sarepta and license and option agreement. That's SELB, now at $2.95, up 17%. SELB. ISEE, Iveric Bio shares at the highs, $5.45. India Sandy Echo company pricing their 24 million share offering at $4.10 and now trading at the highs, $5, just off the highs now, $5.42.
Dude, I might be looking at this like mid-afternoon for this to run above this, because it looks like we're just going to be in a rising wedge for the rest of the day. The Spotify call sweeps that he just called, they're up about $70 since he called them. You guys saw I opened this and it was at 4. Now it's at 4.8, so it's up $80 since I called him, or since he called him. The call sweeps that he calls, they're like 85% accurate, because it's just people hearing the trade and people getting in because of volume, and then the implied volatility because of you getting in because of volume raises the stock price, which raises the call price, which makes you more money, basically. Yeah, look at that, 519 already.
GSAT, Global Star popping to the highs now. Golf Sandy Alpha Tango. GSAT.
Damn, already a 50% move on this one. And that's usually my goal, 30 to 50%. And then for my like stop losses, it's like 5 to 15%. So never try to lose more than 15. And then I always try to gain more than 50, but you can't be greedy. You see 50, you see it start losing momentum, you sell it. It's good. It's fine. Wonder if Sam got in those call sweeps.
LL, the liquidators at the highs now, 1236. Lima Lima. SURF, Sandy Uniform Romeo Foxtrot, gets world patent for anti-IL-12, IL-27 antibodies for treatment of cancer. That's Sandy Uniform Romeo Foxtrot, SURF. That being circulated now. SURF, Surface Oncology, spiking here, $4.86. 10% SURF.
Damn, Spotify, killing it. Well, this is the resistance that on the daily resistance for Boeing, but I don't see the market selling off. So I did earlier. Doesn't look very promising now. Looks like we're in a bull trend. Fuck, dude, Spotify though, Jesus.
VISL, Vislink hitting a high of 83 cents. Victor India Sandy Lima.
So everyone in Guinness or people in my other rooms are there in Guinness, sitting on the moving average resistance. But if it breaks, it come to $1. Well, looks like Boeing's not going anywhere. Looks like I fucking got faked out on both my trades, man. Ooh, Spotify up 100% since we've seen it. Yep. I was like, yeah, Boeing's going up, but I'm gonna get in puts, cause fucking stupid. Where they at now? Oof. Big oof. Well, broke 193, so yeah, missed the move. Damn. Well, I would have been in these anyways. 330. Damn. Oh.
UONEK moving here $3.83. Uniform Oscar November Echo Kilo. Urban One UONE shares halted on a circuit breaker. UONE.
Oh, with the bounce. I have resistance here. Damn, 195 too. Ooh. Alright, bets trades up. Pretty good. Not that high, but why is JD.com going down? That don't make any sense. They just hit all highs. Damn, it peaked at 128. Yeah, 100%. I definitely would have sold. I would have sold at 60 actually. So.
Report of a magnitude 7.4 earthquake hitting New Zealand. That was earlier.
Oh my. Yeah. I don't know why these guys got in this. LK. I want to see LK come back to $7 for anything, honestly. Has it moved? Ooh. It's actually getting under resistance. It's not good. So just so you guys know, when I call something in the alert room, these are just like, what I put in here is just like notes for me or whatnot. I was just like just like what I'm looking at. But like, if I don't call it in here, it's not an exact trade for me. It's just not. What I call in here is like what I guarantee you will fucking hit. Like 80% of the time it hits. But in here, this is not. This is just me pretty much putting my notes in here because every time I write down notes for trading, I lose them every single time. And I wasn't sure about today, and then actually I lost both trades. So, and if I took the video, I would have lost all 3 trades. So, but yeah, huh. Well, I really did not see the market going up because of this. But let's see. Everyone's like Tesla puts in the chat. What the fuck? I don't remember anyone saying Tesla puts. Damn. I mean, it did go up though. I don't know. I would say more than anything, Tesla is flat. Boeing is ripping it. Oh, fuck.
PINS January 23 call sweep, Papa India November Sandy. PINS.
Pinterest. You heard them, boys. Pins. November call sweep. Pins, November call sweep.
VISL, Vislink, 91 cents to high now. Victor India Sandy Lima.
Oh, VISL. I remember the stock.
Speaker Pelosi to hold a press conference at 10:45 a.m.
Yeah, I'm down 400 today. Okay. just write this in here.
Governor Cuomo tweeting now, New York Governor Cuomo, the Trump administration failed to give an adequate reason for ending DACA because there isn't one. Iraq should cut 258,000 barrels per day, more than the OPEC target, OPEC plus target for September to August.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream just because
NVO, Novo Nordisk successfully completes AM 833 Phase 2 trial and Phase 1 combination trial with AM 833 and semaglutide in obesity. That's November.
yeah, I'm gonna end the stream just because I'm
Victor
done for the day.
Novo Nordisk.
Don't really see anything much moving with the market. I want to wait till I see some breakouts here and here, and when I get an alert, I'll let you know what we're going on with the trades. But other than that, yeah, I think I'm gonna head out. Market seems a little up and down today, so. I mean, selling off right now, but doesn't really. There's too much like bulls here to like actually see the. I can't really see the trend. That's all I'm saying. I can't really see what's going on right now. So instead of like putting you guys in positions to like get in trades, just not like I don't really know. Yeah, just my honest opinion on it. Just not gonna call anything for the rest of the day. Just because we're all up and down here, and I'm not sure what's going on. So, hope you all have a good rest of your day. See you next time. Thanks for joining the stream. Appreciate it.